Welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and this is my 2000 Jeep Cherokee. On the last show we did the winch, which we didn't hook it up to the battery yet though, because we needed to do the big 7. And we got this set from jeepcables.com, and it's gonna do the battery positive, battery negative, the PDC, the fuse, the fender ground, the alternator, and the starter. So we are gonna get into it now. All right, so I'm gonna start by taking all this off just so I can make sure I know where I'm going. But we got 2-gauge wire because it's better for accessories, more power going through it, and then also just to get rid of all this factory wire. All right, so we got the battery to the starter, the battery, the PDC, the PDC to the alternator, the ground or the battery to the engine block, battery to the fender. I feel like I'm missing one. So let's at least get started with that and see where we get to. So if you didn't notice, this is our current nonsense. Best way to put that. So alternator needs to go first on the PC through here. Right, so we'll put on the alternator. The good thing about this kit is that all the wires are labeled, which is very nice. All right, so the way the wires are labeled, this is the PDC to the battery positive, but there's not a PDC to alternator. There is a fuse to alternator and a PDC to fuse, but we are adding an external fuse. So we're gonna have to add the fuse before I can put it to that. So this is gonna go to the battery positive. This is gonna go here. So, seems like having these on here is not going to be an issue. And everything looks good to go. All right, so moment of truth, does the winch work? All right, so it works. I did everything right. But anyway, so all the wiring is now, or all the big wiring is now done. The winch is installed. We'll still have to put the switch in inside the Jeep. But other than that, it's all installed and ready to go. So I'm super excited. I won't get stuck in the woods now. But I hope you guys subscribe below and check out my next video next week.